Hey everyone, it's Erin Floto here, and I am here showing you the new releases for this month. It's been a rough one, but I do have a few new releases coming at you this month. The first two of which you guys have already seen, but I will go ahead and recap for you. So this is the monthly kit that is being released. It is called CityScape. Basically, I just tried to really capture, I guess, the city at dusk or during sunset, and I tried to pull in a lot of different cityscapes from around the world. So you can see there's definitely some New York vibes, some Chicago vibes, a lot of different ones around the world. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you those. So the first page, as per usual, is the monthly headers page. So you have gratitude log, mood tracker, monthly review, master task list, daily summary, monthly goals, cleaning tracker, and habit tracker. I will be adding two new ones in the future, which is a brain dump and a finance tracker. So those are going to be coming from here on out on all the new monthly kits that get released every month. So we have the city vibes here. Here is kind of a mixture of notes pages and deco pieces. This is actually one of the miscuts, so you can see like some of these are a little bit off, but that's because I have to print and cut a whole bunch of new ones. I'm very behind this week. There's been a lot. So there's a lot of like notes type of vibes in here. This can have like notes on it and you can write something on here, or this can be your daily pages. A lot of little deco pieces, some washi tapes, a little notes card, things like that. So I tried to put in several functional items in here, as well as the whole cityscape deco. Yeah, it's been a hard week. So here is the monthly kit. For my patrons, if you were in the $20 tier, you got that full kit along with the stencil that I am going to show you now. I'm going to show you the aftermath of the stencil because I don't have a stencil cut currently. Like I said, it's been a hard week. So here is the aftermath of the stencil. So I use distressed inks to do this reading tracker, and I will go ahead and put up on the screen for you what the reading tracker looks like. It was a lot of fun to do, and I just thought it would be really cute to do this stack of books for my tracker this month. So I will write in the name of the book and the author and the spines of these books. So that is the stencil that got released. Like I said, the $20 patrons got 5 pages of these. So they got these 4 pages, and then they got a patron exclusive, and then the quote page was sent online through Patreon. So the next one I'm going to show you are a lot of like self-improvement type things that you could potentially do at home. So the first one is this practice lettering, and this is in the pastel rainbow colorway. I offer 2 different colorways, the pastel rainbow and then the bright rainbow, which I will show you in a second. So here is the practice lettering version. So I just thought it was really cute. So this is to mark in your bullet journal or your whatever planner when you print out lettering sheets and start practicing your lettering. So there is that mini. Here is the bright colorway. This is another miscut. Sorry in advance. Like I said, it's just been really hard. So this is for the FitBit kit. So you have these little mini FitBit stickers with little step trackers on them. And I have little headers down here that they can get paired with steps, move, and more tinier steps, and then some larger Fitbits as well. So this comes in both the pastel and the bright rainbow colorways. The next one, I'll go ahead and show this one. If you don't have a Fitbit and you have an Apple Watch, I also made a version for the Apple Watch. Like I said, this is the pastel colorway, and then there's steps and move trackers down here at the bottom. Last but not least of the doodles are these little paint versions. Yet again, another miscut. I'm kind of doing my best, but I will go ahead and show all of like the actual images as well. But it's just a little paint palette with the word paint for people that are, you know, exploring new hobbies and things when you're indoors. I thought that this little paint palette would be cute. Again, offered in the pastel and the bright rainbow colorway. And then yet again, I'm a little messy today, so I do have two versions of script stickers. One is for paychecks and paydays, and then the other is for some dog care scripts. I did get a laser printer, so different foiling options are going to be available starting next month for any script that I have in my store, not the ones that are paired with the Doodles though. So I am working on all of that, but I just got the laser printer on Wednesday, so I wasn't able, unfortunately, to have it prepared for this month's releases, but they will be around next month. So if you are on the lookout for foiled lettering scripts, then those are coming your way for the June, oh my God, it's June, for the June release. So that is all I've got for you this month. If you are a patron, you have discount codes posted on Patreon. So my bronze tier get 10% off. My silver tier, sorry, gets 20% off. And then my gold and my platinum tiers get 30% off. So if you are gonna buy anything on here, I would suggest going over to Patreon and signing up for this month, because even if you're doing the bronze tier, you're going to save more than that in discounts for this release. So we would love to have you as part of the community. It has been a wonderful journey with them so far. I just started this at the beginning of the year, so I have just had a blast of a time. They've already helped me pick out my June theme, and I am super, super excited. And they're the ones that give me ideas for these monthly kits. So if you want to join on Patreon, go to www.patreon.com/erinfloated-designs to join. So that's all I've got for you today. I just want to thank everyone for reaching out. I posted my family's loss on Instagram just so that people, I mean, I've told people, you know, that she was in the hospital and things like that. So I wanted to let everyone know what the current status was. It's been really hard, but I really appreciate all of the super sweet comments that I've gotten, messages, direct messages on Instagram and things like that. It has truly meant a lot to me. So thank you all so much. I'm just going to leave this video here. I'm not really going to edit too much except for adding the pictures on the screens. I just don't have it in me right now. So hopefully next week will be a little bit better. But who knows, it might not. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.